The judge ruled Ryan Cunneen was suffering from psycho-affective disorder and was unable to appreciate the wrongfulness of his actions when he knocked over an elderly woman who was simply walking, causing her death. 39-year-old Ryan Cunneen was homeless, untreated, and profoundly psychotic on January 20th, 2023, when he began running up Yonge Street and forcefully pushed 89-year-old Xiaxia Wang from behind, causing her to fall forward onto the pavement. The elderly woman hit her head with so much force, her head snapped backwards, causing a fracture to her spine, leading to her death. Cunneen was found guilty in July of manslaughter and pleaded guilty to mischief for throwing a brick into the window of a Subway restaurant on Church Street just minutes earlier. But a judge has now found Cunneen not criminally responsible after a forensic psychiatrist testified at an NCR hearing last month. The doctor's findings uncontested by Crown and defense. The judge said based on a review of video showing Cunneen after his arrest, it was clear he was suffering from delusion. The judge told court, "I accept based on the totality of the evidence that while Mr. Cunneen was aware the act of pushing someone intentionally is legally wrong and morally wrong in the abstract, based on his highly disorganized thinking and active psychosis at the time, he was unable to appreciate the moral wrongfulness."
However, you can also see that he's still suffering from some delusions, and one of the delusions is that he doesn't suffer from a mental illness.
Cunneen told the judge Tuesday he understands he could be locked in a psychiatric hospital for a long, if not indefinite time, and will accept treatment despite the fact he does not believe he is mentally ill. He also maintains that pushing the senior was an accident.
We need to disabuse ourselves of the idea that being found NCR is a get-out-of-jail-free card.
His lawyer says if he had been sent to prison, Cunneen would not have gotten the help he needs. Cunneen is now under the care of the Ontario Review Board and will remain under their care until his mental illness is stable. He has some insight into his mental illness and appreciates the need to take medication for the rest of his life. And the board must also be satisfied that he is no longer a significant risk to the public. Catherine McDonald, Global News.